Hi viewers, welcome to Ganisk YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create rolled cans in Tekla Structures, just like this. Okay, let's start. Open your Tekla Structures with US environment. To create rolled cans, go to the application components by using the shortcut Ctrl F, or you can click on here. In search bar, type S21. You will get this component rolled cans number S21. Select this component and pick the first position and pick the second position to create rolled cans like this, and close this window. Right click on mouse, interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse, redraw. Okay, by default we have the rolled cans like this. You can see we have the joint at this location like this. You can see. Okay, now we're going to edit these rolled cans as we require, the thickness and length and number of rolled cans. So double click on this rolled can. Now go to the parameters tab. Here you can control the thickness at this location. For example, let's take the thickness of here 1 inch, then click on modify to see the result. You can see now the thickness should be 1 inch. Similarly, you can adjust the diameter of this can. For example, we're going to take here 5 feet, then click on modify. You can see now the diameter of this can should be 5 feet. Similarly, you can adjust the length of this can. For example, if you require maximum length of the can 5 feet, so enter here 5 feet, then click on modify. You can see now we have the 4 number of cans. Maximum length is the 5 feet, so total spacing between the two grids is 20 feet. So we have the 4 cans here from this option. Okay, now click on modify, apply. Okay, now I'm going to create views. So click on this grid, right click mouse, create views along grid lines, click on create and OK, and close it. Now take the elevation along grid 3. So click on window and select view list and elevation on grid 3. Click on this arrow and close it. By default we have the joint at this location. If you want to place joint at here, so double click on this can, go to parameters, and we have the angle here. Let's take 90 degrees from this axis, then click on modify, apply. OK, you can see now I have the can here joint. If you want to place at 45 degrees, then double click on it, parameters, let's take here 45 degrees, then click on modify, apply. OK, you can see now I have the 45 degrees joint at this location. Similarly, you can change this joint as you require position. Now we're going to check the thickness of this can. So click on edit and click on measure and select this horizontal distance and activate this option snap to geometry lines or points, then zoom it, pick the first position and pick the second position and place it. You can see now I have 1 inch thickness. Right click on mouse, interrupt, double click on this can and go to parameters. You can see now I have the 1 inch thickness according to this option. Similarly, now we're going to check the total diameter of this can. So click on measure and select the horizontal distance and pick the first position at here and pick the second position at here and place it the diameter at this location. You can see now total diameter of this can should be 5 feet according to this option. Now coming to here, and you can enter the material grade also here. For example, let's take the grade A36. Similarly, you can enter here the part position start number and assembly start number, then click on modify, apply. OK, right click on mouse, enter, click on space, right click on mouse, redraw. Now click on window and select 3D view. You can see you will get like this. Okay, that's it about how to create rolled cans in Tekla Structures. If you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla Structure related videos, please go to my channel. youtube.com/ganisk. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos you can find out so many Tekla structure related videos. I hope these videos might be helpful to you, and at the top right corner please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe you will get notification or updates when uploading new video, so please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.